Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make abacha, popularly known as African salad. Abacha is a popular food prepared in eastern part of Nigeria. I'll be showing my own twist on how I make abacha. I hope you stay tuned and find out how I make this delicious African salad. I'll be blending Cameroon pepper, CALABAR nutmeg, and some crayfish. I like to use the Cameroon pepper because I like the flavor of the pepper, but this is optional. Then I'll blend. Blending, I'll set aside the abacha or shredded cassava into a bowl. I'll pour warm water over the abacha and leave it to soak. It will help to soften and increase the size of the abacha. Then I will sieve to drain out the excess water. African salad, I'll be using ungo. You can use potash. Ungo is palm fruit bunch burnt into ashes. To dissolve the ungo, I'll add a little water into the bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of ungo. Then I'll stir together to mix properly. Fungo, you can use akamu or potash. Fine sieve, I will sieve it to get only the liquid. In a dried pot, I will add the palm oil. I'll be adding the ungo gradually. Then I will stir continuously until the oil turns into a yellow paste. I'll add stock cube. I'll also add my blended ingredients. Continue stirring. Add ogiri. This is optional. If you have oba, you can add it now. And stir. Add a little salt and stir very well so that everything will mix together. Slice scotch bonnet and onion. Add the scotch bonnet according to your taste. Then I'll add the soaked abacha and stir properly so that it will mix into the palm oil paste. African salad with pepper, stockfish, fried fish, prawn, utazi, garden egg, herring. You can taste for salt and add if necessary. My African salad is ready. I'll be showing my little twist on how I garnish my abacha or African salad. I like to garnish my African salad or abacha with peppered fried catfish, ponom, and lettuce. The taste of the lettuce, trust me, it tastes so good. It is a very good combination with the abacha. This African salad tastes so delicious. This one is continental African salad. With all this combination, it tastes so good. I hope you try this, and thank you all for watching.